Kidney cancer. Introduction. The main function of the kidneys is to filter harmful chemicals known as toxins from the blood. Select true or false. Correct. The kidneys also control the amount of fluid we keep in our bodies. What is the name of a tumor that invades other organs and body parts? Choose one of the following options. 1. Malignant tumor. 2. Cancer. 3. Metastatic cancer. 4. All of the above. Correct. Does having a risk factor for kidney cancer mean that you will get kidney cancer? Select yes or no. Correct. Having a risk factor for a cancer increases the chance of developing this cancer. It does not mean the person will develop the cancer. The only sure way to diagnose kidney cancer is through a biopsy. Select true or false. Correct. A biopsy shows whether a tumor is benign or malignant. This is the only sure way to diagnose kidney cancer. Is stage 1 cancer more dangerous and advanced than stage 4? Select yes or no. Correct. Stage 1 cancer is less advanced than stage 4. This means it is usually more treatable. Surgery, targeted therapy, and biological therapy may be used in combination to treat kidney cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Surgery, targeted therapy, and biological therapy may be used in combination to treat kidney cancer. Sometimes radiation therapy is also used. Thank you for using Explain.